So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating this area of my dining room. So I'm going to be using the wood cleaner by Awesome. I purchased it at Dollar Tree to go ahead and wipe this down. Now we're going to start decorating. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself. We have some beautiful co-hosts. That's Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, and Dream with Caroline. Now we do have a theme for this collaboration, and it's called Love is in the Air. Now this console that I'm decorating sits right behind my dining room table as a display, and I can't wait for you to see how this turns out. Doesn't this look absolutely beautiful, guys? We're going to be heading on over to the reveals. Now, I think this looks absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.